Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing my whole house cleaning today, so I hope you guys like this video of me cleaning up my whole house. I am uploading every single day so you guys can get the idea of how much work has to be done as a stay-at-home mom. So I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe and continue to watch the video. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a overview of the whole house. It is my perfect, not really someone's particular perfect of a perfect home, but it is reality. I really need to put in some hard work onto my house because I do have those moments where I just don't want to do anything. And this past weekend I wasn't feeling so well and I didn't even have the kids. So here is my office. I was doing some videos, so I have to move my desk, but this is my office. This is my girls' room. This is gonna take at least 2 or 3 days because I have to do the closet as well. Here is the restroom. It's not that bad, but yeah. This is my hair area, and yeah, I got weed hands. Real life, guys, real life. This is my bedroom. I still have Valentine's Day decorations because our anniversary is this month of March. So I decided to, keep that up. And then I have 2 baskets of clean clothes that I need to fold up. Here's the dining room. I have my St. Patrick's Day decorations already up. And I need to take that curtain down. And then here's the kitchen. Here is the living room, and that's about it. 6 rooms, and so 6 rooms, 30 minutes each, 3 hours. So I'm gonna clean up for 3 hours and then go ahead and get my daughter set up our bike stuff because we're gonna go bike riding today. So yes, set that timer for 30 minutes. And whatever is not done, don't worry about it. Go to the next bedroom, go to the next area, and do your best. Okay, so one of my goals is that I am going to complete the Bible. Right now I'm on Acts, and it is scheduled that it's 2 hours long to listen to on YouTube. So that's what I'm doing right now while I clean up my bedroom and fold up my clothes. So right now I'm going to go ahead and start off by making up the bed, then fold up my clothes. waking up in my bed, you're still stuck in my head. I'm not even hungover. I wanna call your phone, tell you what you did wrong, then ask you to come over. Not very good with decisions, know what's right, but I don't listen. I don't. And I complain and dismiss it, then I keep on reminiscing. I know, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad for business, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad for business, baby you're bad for business. Not good with consequence, I find myself back again, crying on your shoulder. No, it's not good for me, but I still want your body. So dumb, but it's not over. Not very good. And that's the spray, the bed. So I'm using some Snuggle spray, which you see right here. And so I'm spraying it. So I managed to get a lot done, but I didn't get a whole lot done to where I finished the whole house, because right now what's most important to me now is to go take my kids to the park and continue the next day, and just, you know, this is reality. And so I hope you got some motivation in this video, and that you just keep pushing, and the more you are consistent on working on your house, it is a full-time job, you will get good results. All right, thank you so much for watching. Peace out.